Alright, it is currently 1:01 p.m. I'm currently waiting on my friend to get home, so I'm going to get all stimmed up right now. And then I'm going to go make my meal. I should be working out in like 30 minutes, but let me show you what I'm taking. Alright, so we got this Mother Bucker pre-workout here, and I'm going to go in with like, I don't know, 3/4 to almost a full scoop. I'm telling you, this one here, it hits so hard. Like, I've tried so many pre-workouts, and this one here has got to be like one of the strongest. Like the euphoria and energy that you get off of this pre-workout is just unreal. So I'm doing this much. That's almost a scoop. And then I just dropped some, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. And then there's that. Usually I'll put salt in this, but I'm gonna go inside and do that. I'm just gonna get stemmed up right now, so I'm feeling good pre. I really like to feel good on the way to the gym, not just like when I get there. It's much more mood elevation. Okay, for my meal, I'm gonna make some whey drip. I have a rice, scoop of rice protein in here, and then I'm gonna do some rice cakes. Pour a little bit of water here, mix it up, pour it on top, and then I'm gonna make some more pre even, and then you guys will see that. That pre-workout, and now we're taking this. And then a pinch of good luck.
I was on a pinch.
Great.
Yeah, gross.
She never tries anything I make. 600 milligrams caffeine. Down the hatch. What do you think about that, guy?
I think that's why you can't sleep at night.
That's just false propaganda. Marshmallow flavored. Put a little bit of water in here.
What the hell are you doing? What is that?
You'll see. These are good.
I like the apple ones. Is this going on it?
Yes. We're gonna split it evenly. And 4. Where did I put the little thing? I forgot my hydration packet, so now I don't get to sip on some good stuff. Oh wait, you have Propel. Oh my gosh, please, please, please.
What will you do for it?
I'll do a lot. Alright, on the way to meet up at the gym, LAC. That meal was fantastic. I think it was 330 calories, 340 with the pre, and it was like 27 grams of protein. I'm gonna count it as 26 because some of the whey drip, it just stuck to the plate and it was like not coming off. But anyways, that pre-workout is definitely kicking in. My skin's burning, and I know that that's time to go. So I'm gonna give him a little bit of pre-workout and offer him some rice cakes. I don't know if he's ate, but anyways, see you at the gym. the doctor. We're about to go inside, get some food for this meal, and then check another store for our little Nito obsession. Yeah. Let me get some sweet potato first. I need a lot of this. I'm about to eat so much of this sweet potato. I gotta weigh it out on a little scale.
We have.
I just spent like a total of 5 minutes weighing these out to find the perfect amount for my calories. I have such bad OCD problems, don't I?
Yeah.
It gets crazy. And some bread. That's definitely the best bread. Best filling bread right there.
Okay.
Yeah. We got the bread and sweet potatoes here. Just carrying my stuff. I got some yogurt too. Cinnamon.
You don't get my shoes in it.
Stevia. Look at her shoes.
No, stop.
Egg whites.
Cart. All right. Are you excited for tonight's meal?
Dude, yes, extremely. Right here.
Because that's not cool. Go put the cart up.
Someone can just
Go put it over there.
Alright, about to start making the food. So my idea was anabolic French toast from Greg Doucette. I just thought of that. And then some sweet potatoes. A lot of it actually. And then some yogurt on the side. And to me, great meal. About to make this. Show you some clips. And show you the meal after. It's going to be great.
Okay guys, while Landon is cutting his stuff, I'm making my food, which is steak and rice. So I'm excited. Leftover from hibachi Monday. It's Wednesday. Landon's cutting into 4s now in his really dry potato things.
Alright, you dip this thing. The egg whites.
Woody.
And then the other thing. Bam. Alright, final product. We got yogurt, all the potatoes, and the French toast. I'm about to enjoy this and then see what we're doing next. My hair is so messed up. So I just woke up and it's the next day. I want to show you guys how I make my Ninja Creamies. Okay, so right here I put this Rise marshmallow and this red velvet pudding mix in there. It should taste like the red velvet marshmallow almost. This one is like the best protein I've ever tried. And then this is for my whey drip for this morning. I didn't use that one, but this one here is 1 scoop of chocolate, and then half a serving of this, and then also xanthan gum, super important. And then just like normal stevia. And then as for the milk, usually I use the protein one, but just normal skim milk. And then if you have the calories for it, you can use Greek yogurt, you can use the protein milk, pretty much anything. I would use Greek yogurt, but it gets expensive and it does add a lot of protein though, I'll be honest. So what I do is I put the lid on and then I shake it, because I do have like a little thing, you press the button, it spins, but it sucks. So I put this on here, shake it up, I take the lid off and then put it in the freezer, because the lid off makes it to where it doesn't form a like hump right there. Alright, here's what they're looking like. Really nice color to them. But anyways, I'm gonna throw these in the freezer for like 12 hours. Usually you should do longer, but that works for me. If they're not cold enough, then I'll put it back in the freezer for like 30 minutes. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll the outro. Give me some more ideas on content to film, etc. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check the description. And I'll see you in the next video.